Thank you for visiting our channel. Hope this video is useful.
Eating crackers is the best way to celebrate this Indonesian holiday. Grammar. The focus of this lesson is on describing past activities. Tahun lalu aku mengikuti lomba tarik tambang. Last year, I also joined the tug-of-war. As we have discussed earlier, there is no past tense in Indonesian. To express something that happened in the past, Indonesians use
lalu,
which can be translated as ago. In this lesson, we are going to describe past activities. Besides using dulu, or ago, we can use an expression of time, month, week, or year, and add lalu. Here are some examples of expressions that are often used in expressing past times.
kemarin, kemarin,
Yesterday, yesterday.
minggu lalu, minggu lalu,
Last week, last week.
bulan lalu, bulan lalu,
Last month, last month.
semester lalu, semester lalu,
Last semester, last semester.
tahun lalu, tahun lalu,
Last year, last year. For example,
kemarin aku pergi ke museum dengan temanku. Kemarin aku pergi ke museum dengan temanku.
yesterday I went to the museum with my friend. Yesterday I went to the museum with my friend.
Adik mendapat hadiah sepeda minggu lalu. Adik mendapat hadiah sepeda minggu lalu.
My sister got a bicycle as a present last week. My sister got a bicycle as a present last week.
Januari tahun lalu, dia masih berada di London. Januari tahun lalu, dia masih berada di London.
Last January, she was still in London. Last January, she was still in London.
Musim semi tahun lalu, kereta itu masih beroperasi. Musim semi tahun lalu, kereta itu masih beroperasi.
Last spring, that train was still operating. Last spring, that train was still operating. For interrogative statements, the following describes the simple way to ask if something happened in the past.
Kapan?
Plus subject plus verb plus complement. When did plus subject plus verb plus complement. For example,
Kapan ayah pergi ke Aceh? Kapan ayah pergi ke Aceh?
when did father go to
Aceh?
when did father go to
Aceh? Kapan manusia mulai mengenal api? Kapan manusia mulai mengenal api?
when did humans start to use fire? When did humans start to use fire?
Kapan Soekarno memimpin Indonesia? Kapan Soekarno memimpin Indonesia?
When did Sukarno lead Indonesia? When did Sukarno lead Indonesia?
Kapan Monumen Nasional didirikan? Kapan Monumen Nasional didirikan?
When was the National Monument established? When was the National Monument established? Cultural insight. Independence Day in Indonesia. Indonesia declared independence from Dutch colonialism on August 17, 1945. 2. Commemorate the struggle of national patriots to achieve independence. Every August 17th is celebrated as a national holiday. Before this day arrives, every road and house will be decorated with red and white and many forms of independence symbols. In neighborhoods, some games and contests for kids and adults are held up in the morning, such as a lomba.
Lomba makan kerupuk. Lomba makan kerupuk.
Cracker eating race. Cracker eating race.
Lomba balap karung. Lomba balap karung.
Jumping race. Jumping race. And lomba.
Lomba tarik tambang. Lomba tarik tambang.
Tug of war. Tug of war. The peak of the contest is usually
Lomba panjat pinang.
which is climbing a palm trunk that is greased with oil. Indonesian dances are often performed in a cultural parade on the main road. In the evening, big screens are put up in a public hall to show movies and films, or in Indonesian,
Layar tancap.
music performances are also very common.
Kosakata.
Vocabulary.
Kerupuk. Kerupuk.
Cracker. Cracker.
Besok. Besok.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Punya. Punya.
To possess. To possess.
Keramaian. Keramaian.
Crowd, liveliness. Crowd, liveliness.
Antusias. Antusias.
Enthusiastic. Enthusiastic.
Menarik. Menarik.
Interesting. Interesting.
Tahun lalu. Tahun lalu.
Last year. Last year.
Dekat. Dekat.
Near. Near. Sample sentences.
Kerupuk adalah salah satu makanan tradisional Indonesia. Kerupuk adalah salah satu makanan tradisional Indonesia.
Crackers are one of Indonesia's traditional foods. Crackers are one of Indonesia's traditional foods.
Mau kemana besok? Mau kemana besok?
Where do you want to go tomorrow? Where do you want to go tomorrow?
Saya masih punya pekerjaan yang harus diselesaikan. Saya masih punya pekerjaan yang harus diselesaikan.
I still have some errands to do. I still have some errands to do.
Biasanya pagi-pagi ada keramaian di pasar tradisional. Biasanya pagi-pagi ada keramaian di pasar tradisional.
Usually in the morning, there's a crowd in the traditional market. Usually in the morning, there's a crowd in the traditional market.
Para penonton sangat antusias setelah gol itu. Para penonton sangat antusias setelah gol itu.
The spectators were very enthusiastic after the goal. The spectators were very enthusiastic after the goal.
Tahun lalu kami berhasil menjuarai turnamen tenis meja. Tahun lalu kami berhasil menjuarai turnamen tenis meja.
Last year we succeeded in becoming the champions of table tennis. Last year we succeeded in becoming the champions of table tennis. Vocabulary phrase usage. Besok. Besok is the general word for tomorrow, such as in
besok pagi,
tomorrow morning, and besok lusa, the day after tomorrow. In a casual way, the word is sometimes expressed as esok. Besok kita akan pergi ke sekolah. Tomorrow we're going to school.
menarik, menarik,
Can be translated as interesting or attractive, as in lomba yang sangat menarik. An interesting race, or orang yang menarik, interesting person. The word comes from the root word tarik, meaning pull. When the root word has the prefix ter added, it becomes tertarik, interested in. For example,
dia tertarik dengan penawaranmu. Dia tertarik dengan penawaranmu.
he's interested in your offer. He's interested in your offer.
Kerupuk, kerupuk,
Is the general word for crackers or chips, such as in
kerupuk udang,
shrimp, crackers,
kerupuk bawang,
onion crackers,
kerupuk ikan,
fish crackers. Almost all Indonesian cuisine will be served along with crunchy crackers.
nasi goreng ini lebih enak apabila dimakan dengan kerupuk.
The fried rice will taste better if served along with crackers.
Percakapan. Kamu sudah punya rencana liburan besok? Kamu sudah punya rencana liburan besok?
Do you have any plans for the holiday tomorrow? Do you have any plans for the holiday tomorrow?
Belum, tetapi kurasa aku hanya akan menikmati keramaian saja. Belum, tetapi kurasa aku hanya akan menikmati keramaian saja.
Not yet, but I think I'll just enjoy watching the crowd. Not yet, but I think I'll just enjoy watching the crowd.
Bagaimana kalau mengikuti lomba makan kerupuk? Bagaimana kalau mengikuti lomba makan kerupuk?
How about joining the cracker eating competition? How about joining the cracker eating competition?
Makan kerupuk di mana? Makan kerupuk di mana?
Cracker eating, where? Cracker eating, where?
Di dekat rumahku, kami selalu antusias merayakan lomba 17 Agustus. Di dekat rumahku, kami selalu antusias merayakan lomba 17 Agustus.
Near my house, we're always enthusiastic to celebrate the August 17th competition. Near my house, we're always enthusiastic to celebrate the August 17th competition.
Kedengarannya menarik. Tahun lalu aku mengikuti lomba tarik tambang, tetapi aku memilih tidak mengikutinya tahun ini karena cedera. Kedengarannya menarik. Tahun lalu aku mengikuti lomba tarik tambang, tetapi aku memilih tidak mengikutinya tahun ini karena cedera.
Sounds interesting. Last year, I also joined the tug of war. But I preferred to skip it this year because of my injury. Sounds interesting. Last year, I also joined the tug of war. But I preferred to skip it this year because of my injury.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.